welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because we are going to the beach and y'all going to get to see a beach video. And so tonight is going to be a pack with me for the beach trip. Right now I am using my tanner and doing laundry, trying to get all the laundry done. And you can see right over there, I've already got Shane's and my stuff that were taken, like folded and put together. We got that going on that we're taking. And I just need to put that in bags, and I'll show you everything we're taking in a bit. And then I'm currently doing laundry. Look at these precious souls. But I just put a tanner. I just did my legs. Oops. And so it's really dark. And then I'm gonna finish up my body. And so let me do that, and then I will get back with you guys when I start to put everything in the bag that we're using to take on our beach trip. And I hope y'all enjoy this pack with me, and I will see you in just a bit. Okay, so right now this is what we are having for dinner. I got this at Walmart. You just heat the noodles up in the microwave and then put all your vegetables in your pan. I'm obsessed with this pan. I got it on clearance for $9 at Walmart. And then after we have this, I'm gonna finish packing and I will show you guys that. But this is the meal, came from Walmart. It's these ginger soy veggie and noodles sauce meal kit. And I am so excited. I'm really loving vegetables right now. And I cannot wait to dig into this. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a pack with me. I wanted to show you guys what I'm packing and how I pack to go to the beach. Today is July 1st. We're leaving in a few hours. Yes, it's last minute. I know, I feel like I do a lot of things last minute. That's okay, because I have it already. It just needs to go in the bag. And we are going, and we're coming back July 4th or 5th that evening. So let me show you guys what I have. This is a pack with me for the beach, and I'll show you everything I have and everything I'm taking. So what I plan on doing is putting my clothes in this bag right here. I've got all of my electronics in there, and then I have that bag back there, and then I'm taking my new camera right there, and that tannin oil we're taking those beach towels. I have okay, my phone had stopped because I don't have much storage, so I had to delete an app. Sorry about that. And I did do a tanner. It's time to wash it off. And so let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm making sure I bring plenty of t-shirts. This is one of the t-shirts I'm bringing. I'm bringing a cami, actually 2 camis. I'm bringing a few dress shirts. This is one of the tops. And I'm also bringing like a few pairs of shorts like this because we are going to be going down to the beach a lot. And I'm bringing this button-up shirt. It is going to be raining somewhere there, so it might be cooler some nights. Okay, so this is actually bigger, so I'm just going to put everything in here. I'm bringing my white jeans and white shorts as well. And I also have all my bathing suits, panties, socks, pajamas, a bunch of other shirts, a float, beach towels. Then I got to get all of our like deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, things like that together. And yeah. Okay, so I have bathing suits, camis, like quarter length long sleeve, panties, bras, short sleeve shirts, all my shorts and pajama shorts, more shirts. And I'm taking that notebook. That's another beach bag I'm taking. We're taking that. and then that, and then that Hollister bag. And this is all of my electronics. And then we're taking, those are the slides and sandals I'm taking. Look over the carpet. The kittens have done all this and we need a vacuum. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put everything in my bag, and then I'll add makeup, deodorant, and everything to that bag, that pink one I showed you guys in a little bit. I already have all the electronics. I already have my man's things packed. It's that bag behind me. I packed for him because he had to work last night and he didn't get on till like 1:30 this morning. So yep, it's Friday. It's a beautiful day. It's July 1st. Happy July 4th, everybody. I will be making beach vlogs as well. Happy early July 4th. Today is July the 1st. So I'm just putting in like everything in here. It just makes it easier for when we get there. We're staying at my father-in-law's house in Foley, and we're gonna be going to Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, and we are so excited. So yeah, I'm just putting everything in here. I will be back with y'all when I get ready to take the things to the, well, when I get the makeup and stuff like that together. And as of right now, they went to go get breakfast, and we still have to fill up in gas and things like that. This carpet is filthy. That's what I have so far. Okay, you guys, this is what I put all of my lotions in this cute little beach bag I got at Dollar General last summer. Well, I stuck a shirt down in there. Lotion, shampoo, body spray, tanners, shampoo, conditioner, and then all my electronics, a notebook, makeup is in those bags. And then I'm gonna grab my camera, and then I have my purse over there, and yeah, the trunk is packed. Okay, so we gotta go get ice in that cooler. This is all of our things, and then I'm gonna put all this in the back seat. 68, I'm 28. Okay, you guys, so we're at Racetrack filling up on gas, and that's the gas station. Babe is pumping gas right there. We're gonna fill up. It'll probably be about $8 to fill up, I don't know. And I'm about to do I'm doing skincare in the car and some light makeup. And I keep going over in my head, I hope I didn't forget anything. I hope I didn't forget anything. Even though I made a list and everything, I just feel like I'm forgetting something, which we probably didn't. But it's me, my teenage daughter, she's 17, and her dad. Me and her dad have been together a really long time. It's been like 22 years now, going strong. And we're going on this family beach trip vacation, and we actually used to live where we're going, so we know the area very well. But we're going Lower Alabama, and we're so excited. It's 4th of July weekend. Today is Friday, and I just wanted to let y'all know if you're new here. And my daughter's also bringing a friend. Her best friend is coming along, so that's the first time she's ever brought a friend with us. The last summer was the first time we had been down in 10 years, because my daughter is 17 now, and she was in kindergarten, you guys, when we used to live in Foley, Alabama. Fun fact, she went to Foley Elementary School in kindergarten, and I worked at the Walmart in Gulf Shores. And I also worked at the Tanger Outlet. I worked at the Polo store, the TJ Maxx store, before I moved back to Oxford, Alabama. But yeah, we're gonna get on the road and get this gas, and my daughter and her friend are in there getting snacks as well, or something to drink, I do believe. And I hope everyone is having an amazing Friday. And I will see you guys soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for some beach vlogs. Please, please, please turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. And I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.